Good morning, children. In quadratic equations, let us learn about nature of roots. This topic is very important from board point of view because every year board is giving question on nature of roots. So let's see how you can calculate or find out the nature of roots. You know quadratic equation in its general form can be written as ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And the formula, Sridhar Acharya formula by which we can calculate the roots of the quadratic equation is given by minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. I also told you that b square minus 4ac can be denoted by d and it is your discriminant. In finding the nature of roots, discriminant plays an important role because just by looking at the value of b square minus 4ac, we conclude whether the root is real or imaginary or equal. Let's see how we can do this. If you calculate your b square minus 4ac and suppose you get a value equal to 0, then you can say nature of the roots is equal. When you get two values of x equal, that means your roots are equal roots and you will be getting them as real roots. That means if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then your roots are real and equal. If your b square minus 4ac value comes out to be a positive 1, or I can say it greater than 0, then the roots are real and different or distinct, or I can say distinct. If your b square minus 4ac comes out to be a negative term, or I can say less than 0, then the roots are imaginary roots, or I can say roots does not exist. So to find out the nature of roots, you have to first of all write down b square minus 4ac. Just put the values of a, b, c and calculate it. Find out whether the value is equal to 0, greater than 0 or less than 0. And then write the nature of the roots accordingly. Now let's understand how we can find out nature of roots in the given example. You see, this is the question given and it has been asked find the nature of its roots. Now the given question is not in standard form since it contains fractional value. So this is not in ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form. So first of all, I will be changing this question into my general form. How I can change? Just by taking LCM. So taking LCM as 3, here this 3 multiply 3 will be 9x square minus 3 into 2 will be 6x plus 3, 1 times is 3, so 1 into 1 is 1 equal to 0. When this 3 goes that side, then your equation will become 9x square minus 6x plus 1 equal to 3 into 0 will be 0. Now your given equation has been reduced into your general form, which is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now I told you whenever you want to find out nature of its roots, you have to first of all write down b square minus 4ac, which is your discriminant. Now what is your a over here? A is 9. What is your b over here? B is your minus 6. What is your c? C is your 1. So let us calculate the value of discriminant. So b is minus 6. So minus 6 whole square minus 4 into A is 9 into C is 1, and this will give me discriminant. So minus 6 whole square is just positive 36. Since here the power is even power, so if even power is present with minus sign, then this minus sign becomes positive. Minus 9 into 4 is again 36 equal to B. So I am getting the value of discriminant as 0. That means I told you, when you get B square minus 4AC equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. So here I can say, since my B square minus 4AC equal to 0, therefore roots are real and equal. If you want to find out the roots, then you can calculate the roots by Sridhar Acharya method or just by factorization method. This is your wish, by which method you want to find out the root of the given equation. So let's suppose if I find it out by Sridhar Acharya method, which is x equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac whole upon 2a. So my b is minus 6, so I will be writing minus from the formula and minus 6 for the value of b, plus minus under root minus 6 whole square minus 4. Your a over here is 9, your c is 1 by 2a. Now you see, this value you have calculated above. You have calculated that b square minus 4ac is coming out to be 0. So simply this is turning out to be a 0. So you can write it as minus into minus will be 6 plus minus 0 by 2 into a, and your a is 9. So I am writing here 9. So it will be 9 into 2 will be 18. 6, that means you can write it as 6 plus 0 by 18, or you can also write it as 6 minus 0 by 18. So this will give you just 6 by 18 value, and this will also give you 6 by 18. Now I can reduce it to simpler form. 6 into 1 is 6, 6 into 3 is 18. Again 6 into 1 is 6 and 6 into 3 is 18. So here the roots are, that means the values of x are 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. Here what I have written, roots are equal. Roots are coming out to be equal. This is also 1 by 3, this is also 1 by 3. So roots are equal and real. Since they are positive, that's why we are seeing it as real. If it is a negative also, then also it will be a real root.